What the Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. It has been over 2.5 weeks since I sat down and filmed a video. I pre-filmed a lot for the holidays because I had guests coming for 10 days straight, which was so awesome. It was so much fun. But now I need to get back in the swing of things and hopefully I remember how to do my makeup. So I'm just gonna get rolling because next door they are doing construction and they're about to get started. It's about to get really loud, so I've got to hurry up and get moving. So if you couldn't guess by the ears, I am doing a foundation wear test in this video. So today I'm trying out the new foundation by Mercier. It is the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I have used the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation and I loved it. I used it until there was none left. So now I'm going to try out this guy, and the difference between this one and the other one is that they are the same price, $48, which is pretty steep. The same amount, which is 1 fluid ounce, pretty standard for a foundation. But this one is supposed to have a radiant or sort of more hydrating dewy finish as compared to the other one, which is matte. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to use my JCat Beauty Hydrating Face Primer and prime my face real quick. Okay, and now I'm going to use the shade 1N1 Crème. Give it a shake. Let's do 3 pumps on the back of my hand. Start dotting on the face. Grab my dampened beauty blender and just go to town. So they said this one is medium to full and it is buildable, while the original is full. So it's looking like just where I have my hyperpigmentation, I'm just going to put another little layer. So far so good. It looks very hydrating. I want to see how makeup wears on top of it, so I'm just gonna really quickly put on my Jouer Essentials High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade Lace. And then taking my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, just gonna set the concealer before it gets into my fine lines. And then very lightly just taking the tiniest bit that's left on the cap, just setting the rest of my face. Alright, and let's see what we have here. So the coverage is really nice. It's medium to full. I would say with the second coat, it's definitely on the side of full. So far, it doesn't look drying or anything like that. I like how it's kind of luminous, but it's not too like greasy looking. So far with how it went down and how it's looking, I like it so far. But I'm going to give it a bit of a wear test, see how it does, and see if this really matches up to the OG. Alright, I'll check in with you guys in a couple of hours. Alright, so I apologize if you can hear the noise in the background. It's the construction next door, but it has been about 6 to 7 hours and my skin still looks amazing. Granted, it might look like the tiniest bit dry, but you have to be really close up to see that, and for me, with my awesomely dry skin, I don't feel like there's any foundation that doesn't look like that. So I really love this. I love the radiant finish. I know this is a bit pricey foundation, but if you love the original Mercier foundation, it's the same price, so you kind of know what you're getting into. But I actually like this one a lot better than the original matte foundation. So if you're looking for that same great Mercier quality foundation, but your skin is a little dry or a lot dry and you want a little bit more hydration and a little more radiance, this is definitely a great foundation. I really, really like it. My old Mercier foundation ran out and I never replaced it, so I'm really happy they came out with this one because this will be another one of my favorites. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.